Good morning, students. Now I am teaching ninth class, first chapter, real numbers, exercise 2 now. Okay, first one. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational numbers. Okay, rational means what? A number which is in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal 0, P and Q are integers, is called rational number. Irrational number means the number cannot be right in the form of P by Q form. The numbers are called irrational number. Okay, here first one. Here, what is that? Square root 27. Okay, square root 27. 27 how we can write? 9 3 ja. That is here square root 9 3 ja. So that is here square root of a into b. That is square root a into square root b. So that is here square root 9 into square root 3. Okay, 9 how we can write? 3 square. That is here square root of 3 square into root 3. Square root means what the order form of this are 1 by 2. 2. Okay, second order, square order. Okay, no? So here, this one here, square root, cancel. How there are cancel? A power m, all power n is equal a power m into n. That is 3 power 2 into 1 by 2. That is 2 to cancel. That is 3 here. 3 into root 3. Here 3 is a rational number. 3 is a rational number. All natural numbers, all whole numbers, all integers are rational numbers, but rational numbers are need not be natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. Okay, so here 3 is a rational number. Here we know that a rational number is multiplied irrational number, it is become irrational number. That is here 3 into root 3. It is a 3 is a rational, root 3 is a irrational. So the product of rational and irrational is always irrational number. So that is here 3 root 3 is irrational number. Irrational number. So therefore, square root 27 is an irrational number. Square root 441. Square root 441. So 441. Okay, here we know that the square root of perfect squares is always rational. The square root of non-perfect squares is always irrational number. Perfect square means what? A number can be write as product of two equal numbers. Okay, for example here 4. 4 how we can write? 2 2 ja, 9 3 3 ja, 16 5 5 ja. So 1 4 9 16 25 36 and so on. These all are perfect squares. So the square root of perfect squares is rational. Okay, here they are asking that square root of 441. The 441 we can write as, it is possible to write as product of two equal numbers or not. Here 441 we can write as 21 square. 21 ja, 441. That is a square root cancel. That is 21. 21 is a natural number and also whole number and also integers. So therefore it is a rational number. So 21 is a rational number. So therefore square root 441 is a rational number. Next one. 30.23234234 and so on.
Sorry, good.
30.23234234 and so on. So here this number cannot be write in the form of P by Q form. Why we cannot write in the form of P by Q form? Here we don't know that there is no period and there is no periodicity. So a number can be write in the form, this type of numbers can be write in the form of P by Q form by using period and periodicity. Okay, period means what? Which digits are continually repeat. Here there is no digit is continually repeat. Okay, so here this number cannot be write in the form of, cannot be write in the form of P by Q form. In the form of P by Q. So therefore it is irrational number. Therefore it is irrational number. 7.484848 and so on. Here after the point here what are the digits are here? 48, 48, 48, 48. The set of digits are repeat here. So what are the set of digits here? 48. So the repetition of the digits is called period. How many digits are repeated here? 2. That is called periodicity. Okay. So here this number can be write in the form of P by Q form by using period and periodicity. Here let us take x is equal 7.484848 and so on. Period is 48. Periodicity is 2. Okay, let us take it is the equation 1. So when the periodicity is 2, then the number is multiplied with 100. That means here two decimals are repeat. Okay, so when the two decimals is there, the denominator having how many zeros? 2 zeros. That means 100. So that means the denominator 100 means we can cancel with 100. Okay, here the why we can multiply with 100 means that decimals is changing to whole number. Okay, so here 100 is multiplied with 100 is multiplied with x, that is 100 into x is equal 7.484848 and so on into 100. So when the two decimals are changing, when the multiply the 100, then the two decimals are changing to whole number. 100 into x, 100x is equal 748.484848 and so on. So it is the second equation. The first equation is what? 7.4848 and so on. The second equation is what here? 100x is equal 748.4848 and so on. So in these two equations, which is the greatest one? Second equation. Which is the smallest one? First. Okay, the smallest one is subtract from second one. So that is here 100x minus x is equal 748.484848 and so on. Next x 7.484848 and so on. Here subtract 0 0 0 147 is equal 99x. So here 99x is equal 741. X is equal 741 by 99. So here 3 33 ja 3 2 ja 3 4 ja 3 3 2 ja 3 4 ja 3 7 ja. Okay, so that is x is equal to 247 by 33. Here x is the what? 7.48 bar. You can write in the form of P by Q form. So therefore 7.48 bar is a rational number. Is a rational number. So here 11.2132435465. Okay, here the digits are not repeat again. Okay, not continually and not repeat. After the point, how many decimals are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 decimals means we can get how many zeros in the denominator? 10 zeros. Okay, here 11, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 6, 5 by 10 power 10. So it is in the form of P by Q form. So therefore it is rational number. It is rational number. Okay, next sixth one 0.303003, next 3003 3 and so on. Here the set of digits are not repeat continually. Here 303003 and so on. So this number cannot be write in the form of P by Q form. So therefore it is an irrational number. An irrational number. Find an irrational number between 5 by 7 and 7 by 9. Okay, here they are asking that an irrational number between these two rational numbers. So how we can find? Here there is one formula is there. A rational number, an irrational number between A and B is square root of A into B. Okay, so an irrational number between 5 by 7 and 7 by 9 is square square root of a into b. That is equal square root of 5 by 7 into 7 by 9. 7 7 cancel. That is square root of 5 by 9. So that is here square root of a by b is equal square root a by square root b. That is here square root 5 by square root 9. So that is here square root 5 by square root 9. That is square root of 3 square. Square root cancel. That is root 5 by 3. Okay, so that an irrational number is divided by rational, it is become irrational number. So that is here root 5 by 3 is an irrational number. It is an irrational number.